how are you all doing? I'm really doing great here. Hope you're also doing very good. Okay, so today we are gonna see how to make banana appam. Banana appam is very famous in Kerala. So this banana appam is made out of Nendran banana. So this Nendran banana is basically originated from Thrissur district. So using this Nendran banana, we can make lot of dishes, but here I have tried something different which would be really nutritious and liked by the children especially, and it's really good for all of us to have this particular banana. So let's get started, and before that, as always, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button, because if you want to see all my video, you will get the notification only if you press that bell button. So let's get started. Come on.
Okay, now let's get started. These are the ingredients. So first is, this is
banana.
This is
Coconut.
This is cardamom. And that is jaggery. And this is breadcrumb. Let's take a pan and allow it to heat it up for a while. Once it's getting heated up, add a cup of jaggery into it. Once the jaggery is added, saute for a while until it's getting melted. Keep the flame in the medium. Otherwise, if you keep it in the high flame, it might get burnt. So make sure it is in the medium flame. So now our jaggery is slowly getting melted. You can find the difference in the jaggery. See, all the jaggeries are molded together and started to melt. So it took for me like around 5 minutes, and then keep sorting for a while. Okay, this is the right stage that we have to add the next ingredient, that is the coconut. So I've added here like half cup of coconut. So add the coconut and blend it along with the jaggery. So jaggery should not be melted until it oozes out the water. That stage should not be reached. Before that, like I have showed you before. So you have to mold it so well that it should not ooze out the water, but it has to get melted. So that should be the right stage. And this is the wonderful and an easy, tasty recipe. This is something so healthy which we can give it for our children's, because this is completely based on the banana. So now I have taken one full banana, just chopped into pieces, and then we are just adding into the the blended mixture of jaggery and the coconut. So blend it well, smash it well with the jaggery and the coconut. Once it's been blended, we can add the next ingredients. Here the banana will get easily cooked because the consistency of the coconut and the jaggery is little watery, so it will automatically get cooked so well. So the consistency has to reach in a stage like it has to get really folded well, as such shown in the video. So the complete consistency should be really thick, so that only you can make the balls. Yeah, all right. And at this stage we can add a teaspoon of ghee. It is completely optional. And also I have added the cardamom, like 3 to 4 cardamom pieces, but I could these both are completely optional, just I'm adding it for the flavor. Also you can add instead of cardamom you can add the vanilla essence as well. So now let's start making the balls. So for that I've just taken 1 teaspoon of ghee, and you can just apply it and spread it over your palm. Take a small piece from the mixture and then make it a ball using your hand. Yeah, and to make it in a correct shape, you just need to roll it around your palm, and then make sure there is no split or a breakage in between the balls. Okay, and then you then need to coat it with the breadcrumbs just to make it more crispy. That's it. Actually, you can repeat this in the same way for all the other rest of the balls that you have to make it. Yeah, and I've just shown you for 2 to 3 balls which I've made it. so you can get an idea out of it. And this recipe is really healthy and tasty. Why I keep repeating saying this word healthy means it is very healthy for the kids, because whatever the ingredients that are used is jaggery instead of white sugar, and the breadcrumbs is a brown breadcrumbs, brown bread which I have used it here. Now let's take a kadai. Once the kadai is heated, add the coconut oil. You can also use other oils which is favorable for you. I'm here using the coconut oil because this is a Kerala dish, and which will give more flavor when it is being roasted or deep fried in the coconut oil, which I really love it. And I'm so much inclined towards the sweets. Alright, so we can just add all the balls into the coconut oil and let it get deep fried. Don't worry, here I'm going for a deep fry, which I like the most. I just love it. So it's just the kind of unniyappam that we usually make in Kerala. Hope you all know. The unniyappam is the most famous snack, which is made out of banana. So that is something different, but definitely I would like to try that. So let's also deep fry the rest of the balls, and it's up to us to make it shallow fry or deep fry, but I love to do deep fry, and it's too crispy and so tasty. I've just grabbed one. It's really mouth watering, guys. You guys have to try this. It's really yummy, and I've just served in the plate, and here you go for my wonderful banana appam. Please try this yummy dish, and don't forget to give your comments and feedbacks. Thank you guys for watching my video.